Is your 2010 Honda Civic alarm constantly going off? It's a common issue, often stemming from a few key culprits. The most frequent causes are faulty door ajar sensors, a malfunctioning hood latch, or a weak key fob battery. Less common but still possible are wiring issues. We will be covering some troubleshooting steps to help you pinpoint the source of the false alarms and get them fixed. The goal is to help you resolve this annoyance quickly and inexpensively, potentially saving you a trip to the mechanic. Let's get practical with some DIY fixes. First, inspect your door ajar sensors. These are small switches inside the door frame that can get dirty or misaligned. Clean them thoroughly and ensure they're properly aligned when the door closes. Next, check the hood latch. Rust or damage can prevent it from fully engaging, triggering the alarm. Lubricate it and ensure it moves freely. Finally, replace the key fob battery. A weak CR2032 battery is a very common cause. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consider checking for any obvious wiring damage around these components. If all else fails, a professional diagnosis might be necessary to rule out a deeper electrical problem.